Oh, now you're getting into the moneymaker zone. Applying discounts on TikTok Shop. This is how you go from just another seller to that deal everyone's rushing to grab. Let's break it down step by step. Step one, open TikTok Shop Seller Center. Right? Go to seller. Dot TikTok. TikTok Global Shop. .com. All right. Or if you're in Saudi or other regions, use your local TikTok shop URL like seller.tiktokshop.com.sa, whatever. All right. Log in with your TikTok shop seller account and you will land on the dashboard. All right. Go to promotions section. On the left sidebar, click marketing center and then promotions. This is where TikTok lets you run discounts, coupons, flash sales, or buy one get one offers, or BOGO, vouchers for specific audiences. Choose step 3. Let me try to log in right here. All right. Or you can log in using your email. Choose discount promotion. All right. Click the create button and select discount promotion. Now you will see a setup page where you can see or you will see a setup page where you define what products to discount, how long the discount runs, the type of discount. All right. Percentage or fixed. And step 4, just set your discount details: promotion name, discount type, start end date, products, discount level, quantity limit, which is optional. All right. And then you're gonna review and launch and promote it on your TikTok videos. All right. Now, don't just hope people find it. You gotta push it with content. Post a new TikTok video, add your discounted products using the shopping bag icon, or add product. Write a caption like flash sale, only 20% off this week. Grab it from my TikTok shop. Right? And add hashtags like TikTok shop finds, TikTok shop discount, sales, or sale alert. Right? And basically track the results. You'll see total sales during promo, conversion rate, best performing product. Use that data to decide what discount strategy to repeat next time. Start small, don't discount everything, only high margin or trending products. Create urgency. Use timers, limited offers, captions, or countdowns in your videos. Sync with trends that tie discounts to trending hashtags or holidays, like 10 by 10 sale Halloween offer. Avoid over discounting. Too many promos train buyers to wait for sales. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.